Christmas came early this year, fellas. Introducing the ultimate men's grooming experience, Manscaped.
Manscaped's 20% off holiday sale is happening now. Don't miss it. Shop manscaped.com today.
Give him the gift of smooth.
Who doesn't like the gift of smooth?
Of course, don't even sweat.
Take a look at what comes inside of your Performance Package 4.0.
It's got everything a man needs from head to toe.
Mrs. Claus, she likes my jingle balls smooth as glass.
Manscaped, thank you, sweetheart.
No, thank you.
Smack in the middle of the box is the star of the show, brand new Lawn Mower 4.0 trimmer. Powerful enough to rip through any hair type. Includes SkinSafe technology, that way you can safely trim that tree without breaking any bulbs or wires.
4.0 trimmer is waterproof. It uses wireless charging.
I have given this to everybody, and I kid you not, they walk around 10 times happier.
You're gonna have to wait for that to grow back, and I'm sorry. Manscaped's 20% off holiday sale is happening right now. Don't miss it.
Manscaped is no longer just for below the waist grooming.
This bad boy right here also includes the Weed Whacker nose and ear hair trimmer. Don't let yourself get hairy up in there and, you know, up in there.
The included crop preserver ball deodorant, anti-chafing, moisturizer, keep your sack of presents nice and cool.
This stuff smells really good.
You'll also get the Crop Reviver toner spray
For that midday ball refreshment.
Let a guy know you're thinking about his lower torso area with the gift. That would probably be enough.
Limited time, you will get 2 free gifts. The Shed Travel Bag and the Manscaped Anti-Shaving Boxer Brief.
They're so soft, they're so comfy.
And look, I'm wearing them right now. Boxers are amazing.
Hey, your gift is gonna be like the highlight of everyone's day.
Honestly, you made my day. Life changer.
Everybody's gonna want it after they see it.
Choose Manscaped.
Manscaped's 20% off holiday sale is here for a limited time. Order today to qualify for free shipping.